Hey guys, I'm back with a new video. Today's video is going to be all about getting free stuff on the internet, and this is one of the websites I will recommend to you guys because I've experienced, getting free stuff from this site, and I'm very excited to share this to y'all. So if you guys are interested to see and know what website I am talking about, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification first so you'll be informed of new videos and tips that I can share to you guys. Okay, so totoo lang, itong website na to medyo kilala na siya, pero I was introduced to this website a couple of months ago only by a friend of mine. So I'm very interested, and I signed up for this, and I was like, is it really legit? I don't really know, but I do know some people that are part of this website. What website am I talking about? The website I'm talking about is Try and Review. So Try and Review is basically a website where you can pick from so many products, from makeup, hair care, skincare, and you can sign up to each campaign. You'll be chosen and you'll be sent products from the website Try and Review. From the name of the website, meaning you try the product first and then you review it, you forward it to the website, and it's done. Basically, you log in or you sign up to the website, you sign up for the campaigns that are valid as of the moment, and then once you get accepted to a campaign, they will send you a product and then you can try it out for yourself. Para legit ha, papakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung isa sa mga product na nakuha ko with Try and Review. This is the Dove 1 Minute Serum Conditioner. Expect a review actually on a couple of videos later about this and what I think about it. So basically, they will send you either a sample size or full size product so you can try it out for yourself. Usually, with other products that they would send like full size because they wouldn't give like sample sizes, and oh my god, they're so lucky. I only got the sample size, which is fine because you will see results already with Dove. Like, Dove is one of my tried and tested products. I will share to you guys other hair care products from Dove in the future that I would personally recommend. But this one, the 1 Minute Serum Conditioner, I will share this on a separate video. Gaano ka ba siya kadali? Actually, very easy. You can log on to the website through your Facebook account or with your Facebook account, and then just go through all the listings. Sobrang dali lang niya. And just indicate your address. Usually within 48 to 72 hours yung isang campaign, and they would choose about 1,000 people to review their products. Do I think it's legit? Yes, of course. I've received a product already. I actually am still waiting for like 2 or 3 campaigns that I signed up for some skincare products. But once I get those, I'll inform you guys if they're from Try and Review or not. Overall, I am really happy with Try and Review because it's really free. You don't have to pay shipping, you don't have to pay anything. They will just deliver it to your house. And what I do like about this service is that the courier they have here in the Philippines, I think it's Jam Express, sobrang personalized nila. Okay, kasi yung address ko madaling mahanap sa mapa, but there is parang pag daytime yung dineliver yung item sa akin, chances are walang sasagot sa gate kasi walang tao sa bahay minsan, or people are very busy inside. They don't notice there's like a person outside. So ang ginagawa ng Jam Express, and I'm also saying this para you can set your expectations, is they will call the person they will have the package delivered to, and they would say, "Hi ma'am, this is from Jam Express and we will be sending you a package from Try and Review, and please expect the package within 24 to 48 hours. Unbelievable. This is the first time I've experienced that with a courier and also with the brand na sobrang bilis. Kasi I remember I signed up on a Sunday and then I got a message, I think, Tuesday. So, mga 2 days lang ako naghintay and I got into the campaign, and then around Wednesday, or Thursday, I got a call from Jam Express. That was how fast their service is. Of course, with try and review, they will give you specific instructions like posting on your social media, doing a video or a written review about the product. Of course, that's your part of the, the deal is they will send you a product, you will do a review about it. You can either review through Facebook, through Instagram, through YouTube. So if you are a budding, content creator, this is a good thing. This is a good, platform, especially for beauty content creators, is that this is actually free. You can, try this out first before you buy it. And when you like it, you can just go get it. So basically, that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you liked this video. And of course, if you have any questions, the comment section is open for everyone. And of course, don't forget, like this video, share this to your friends that are also content creators or other beauty junkies just like myself. And with that being said, I do have to go, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!